Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mrinali. So today I am doing a cake with Oreo biscuit. Let's start with the making it. I am preheating pan for 10 minutes. Let's make a batter now. I am adding 4 packets of Oreo in a mixer jar and I will blend it. Crush them into pieces so it can be blended easily. Add a 2 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of sugar according to your taste. Add a 2 tablespoon of milk powder. Add 80 to 90 ml of milk in it and blend it. It's become a little thick, so I'm adding 10 ml extra milk in it and I will blend, and it's come perfectly. Take a pan and spread some ghee and flour in it. Mix the batter well. If you feel batter is thick, you can add some amount of milk in it. Add like a 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence, 1/4 of baking soda, half tablespoon of baking powder, and mix. Now transfer into a container which you want to bake the cake. Place it on a preheated pan and cover with a lid and leave it for 30 to 40 minutes. After 30 minutes I am checking now, but still it's not prepared fully. After 40 minutes, its cake is baked very well and it's come out very nicely and very spongy also. Now I am adding Hershey's chocolate syrup. If you want to, you can, or you can skip this one. It tastes amazing. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and support me.